Howdy, folks. My goal in this video is to help you decode how to use Swigo's website builder by using our layout widgets. Now, if you're like me, when it comes to web design, I get sucked in a lot to cool graphics and cool branding and flashy this and flashy that. But if your website is not organized in a clear, concise manner where registrants or web visitors know what you want them to do or how they can navigate your site, then having the coolest graphics is not really going to amount to much. So in today's video, we're going to walk through the spacers widget. We're going to walk through the accordions widget. We're going to walk through the tabs widget. We're going to walk through the columns widget and how you can best organize information on your site. Now, before we actually take a look at these widgets, there's two things that I think is important for you to consider when you start building out your website. Number one, what is the goal of your website? What are you trying to achieve? Are you trying to get registrants to register for an event? Are you trying to get them to learn more about a specific session or gain information about something else? Just what's the purpose and what are you trying to drive them towards? The second thing is, what do you want your website to look like? And here's where I potentially have a hot take, which is copy other sites. And what I mean specifically by that is when you're trying to think of what you want the layout of your site to be, maybe what you want it to look like, go to other event registration sites. Go to other websites. They don't even have to be event related, just to see what you like about them. Is it how it's laid out? Is it how the information is maybe clear and concise? Is it maybe some of the colors they use? How the overall website flows? Just draw inspiration from them and then try to use it on your site. Try to emulate that same feeling. And by adding in your own information and your own branding, eventually it'll take on a life of its own. So without further ado, let's actually take a look at some of these layout widgets and start to build your site.